Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing 10 facts about me. So what is going to happen is that baby is going to do 10 facts about him and I'm going to be doing 10 facts about me. So let's just jump straight into it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and before you even go ahead and watch, you guys know it will be fun, so already go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, comment down below and say Team Mel or Team Luda. Alright you guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, catch up and keep up with us on our vlogs, on our challenges and all our other videos. So we're just gonna jump straight into the facts. Okay, so fact number 1 about me is I used to do track and field. Yes girl, yes, I used to do track. I did track in high school, and I did track for my university, and then I stopped after I moved to France. That's why I'm so athletic. Now you guys know why I love to work out so much.
Yeah, I have the right to say that because my fact number 1 is that I do track too. I used to do track too.
Yes,
but I'm not athletic. Hey guys, I was doing very well. I was doing very well. I just had to stop because of injured, but I was doing very well.
Fact number 2 is my mom called me Kissifer. A lot of my family members know me as Kissifer. I think she said I got this name from a cartoon when I was younger. Something about I used to love watching this cartoon with this bear called Kissifer, and she started calling me Kissifer, and the name just stuck to me until this day. I still have family members call me Kissifer and my mom call me Kissifer. It doesn't really matter if we're in public or not, she shout out Kissifer. So there you have fact number 2.
You like it?
I don't mind, it's my mommy's name. I really don't care what people have to say.
No, I'm asking if you like it.
I don't mind, of course. My mom gave it to me special.
Okay. Team Kissifer. Fact number 2 about me is that
You cough a lot?
No, I have a lot of headaches. But when I say a lot of headaches, it's like wherever we go, I need tablets with us because it can happen at any moment. Sometimes it's like a week without I have a headache, and it feels great. I'm happy like but I'm just talking about
he has some terrible headaches. Sometimes you guys, I think he's gonna literally pass out. His migraine is no joke,
and I have to take tablets straight at the beginning so it's make it going away. If I wait a little bit, that's done, and it never go by itself. I have to take tablet. I have to go every time we're going out. I have to make sure that I have tablet with me.
I have a sick man, I have a mad man, I'm married to a mad husband. Alright you guys,
my brain too powerful.
Ooh, alright honey,
my brain too powerful.
I see you baby, I see you. Fact number 3 is I bake and cook very well, and the reason being why I cook so well is because I am a chef by profession. So if you guys didn't know, now you know. I went to catering school and I went to baking school. So there you guys have it. Yes, I love my kitchen, girl. I love my kitchen, okay? That's why baby's getting a little stomach and putting on all his legs.
I was skinny when I met you.
He was. You guys, babe had abs and muscles when he met me. No fat, this fat face, this stomach.
You're to blame.
But I'm to be blamed, yes. But I put on weight too, because when he met me I was very skinny and I put on weight too. But I did something about mine because I wasn't comfortable with it. I did something about mine.
I just love food.
Yeah.
Well, fact number 3 about me. I have a pinky foot. That's right. Every time I come back from work, she tell me, don't leave my socks there. Don't leave the shoes there. Why you don't put perfume inside the shoes?
I tell him to put some powder inside his shoes, but he's just not doing it. I think I need to put the powder in his shoes. When I said big, and it's not like the rest of his shoes is like that, but his work shoes, when I say he have to go wash that foot when he gets home, he better go, because I'm not gonna stay around and smell that. No, honey. His other shoes are not like that. Strange, but anyways. Fact number 4. My husband is the first white guy that I've dated. There you guys have it.
Fact number 4. I can't dance.
To save his life.
Can't dance. I dance like a boom. Like a pot. I can't dance. When that's the thing I was worrying the most about the wedding. The dance.
You guys.
That was making me feel worrying about.
Give me a minute. At our wedding, I wanted our reception dance to be choreographed. Just babe and I just doing nice little steps. Listen.
No, the good thing is when we started to dance, we just realized that we couldn't do anything because of your big dress, and you have to make careful not to step on it.
So
and
we
I
just
said,
stayed there and rock
that
like
makes me
this.
feel, damn, you can forget about everything that you have prepared and just do a gentleman dance.
You guys, when I say babe can't even dance to the beat, it doesn't. As a Jamaican, you know your girl can dance. Okay, it's in my blood, it's in my roots, and I throw it down all day, every day. And it doesn't matter how I teach babe.
You're about to
Step
teach
like
her,
that. And ooh, the shade though.
Fact number 5, she's a bad teacher.
Liar. It doesn't matter how I teach babe. It doesn't really matter what I do. He just can't do it. Impossible. Don't ask me why. The man just can't dance.
I can jump. I can dance.
That's funny. Fact number 5 is that my biggest fear is water, lizard, and frogs. Listen, you guys, let's just take a moment. It doesn't really matter how baby the lizard is or how baby the frog is, I freak out completely. Water, I cannot swim. I've gone to countless swim lessons and I just stopped going, because if that water gets into my ears, I think I'm gonna die. Just die. I cannot deal with water. I cannot deal with frogs. That's why I'll never eat frogs, but never say never. To me, if I eat frog, I think I'm gonna see down here moving in my throat going.
You ate snails.
Yes, snails it was good. I don't have anything scary about snails.
We watch TV and we can watch documentary, and if a frogs
You're
appear
crazy.
on
I can't look at the TV. I'll die.
You just turn the TV and start to scream and
No, honey.
start to hit me and why you let me watch this?
What is your fun fact number 5?
Fact number 5 about me is not fun one. It's just about who I am. I'm consider myself as a shy boy. Yeah,
He is.
I don't. For example, you put
He
10 person
is.
in the room. I'm not the one necessarily gonna go to the other person, or it's just me.
He is.
Once
He
I feel
is.
comfortable, okay, everything good.
But how are you shy? But yet you sent me a message on Facebook to ask about Jamaica. How did you travel to Jamaica your first time? You guys.
I wasn't alone, and
I know, but how you come and see me alone?
yeah, but and you know, and you a shy at first sight. A shy at first
It's
sight.
true, you guys. Let me tell you a
After
story.
it's fine. For example, I'm here and we're going. I'll be alone. I mean, if I'm alone and you put me in a place and okay, I'll be shy. If I go with you or we just have to go see friends, I think that's completely. I'm shy with person that I don't know.
That's true. When Babe came to Jamaica for the first time to see me, and he came out of the taxi on my street and he was walking up to me, he was so shy and he was just walking up to me quietly, and I'm like, look at him. He was so shy.
It's just I'm keeping everything inside me.
He's a shy boy. He's really a shy boy, and that's something I really love about him. But yeah. Fact number 6 is when I get excited, I slap you. Like if baby's telling me something, I'm say, lie you tell. Not it. No.
Fact number 7, you're crazy. Definitely.
It's true, and I slap you really
Fact
hard.
number 8, you don't know it, but you spend the time in the hospital. Mental problem.
Alright, I'll take this compliment. What is your fact number 6? And when I get excited, I speak straight patois, straight Jamaican. The English is just gone. When I'm around my friends and get excited, straight patois, honey.
Fact number 6 about me, I have a black sister. Well, she's only from the mom, like you can expect.
Only from the mom?
Yeah, we have same mom, different father. Her father, black.
She's a little too lighter than I am, or probably the same complexion. So there you guys have it, babe of an interracial system. Fact number 7 is I stopped dancing when I met Babe. When I say I stopped dancing, mean I didn't do club dancing or go-go dancing as we call it in Jamaica. Not a stripper. I wasn't a stripper.
Really?
I wasn't a stripper, but I was a party girl when I met Babe. I was the life of the party. Whenever Melissa go to a party, I promise you that I will be in the center. I will be under those camera lights, and everybody will know that that is Melissa right there. But why I stopped dancing when I met Babe is because cultural differences. He didn't understand why I had to grind up on each other, why I had to climb on all these crazy things, and why I had to open my legs like this and grinding on other guys and all those things. So he didn't understand. So to make it fair and to compromise, I decided that okay, I'm going to stop going to the parties and I'm going to stop dance, and just to make him more comfortable then.
Yeah, I think once you're single, once you're in couple, you have to act differently. You can't act
Yeah, you're right.
single
you're
person
right. You're right.
when you're not single.
You're right.
And that's
You're
something
right.
that's, yeah.
So there you guys have it. But I don't miss it. I still dance at home. I can't dance with Babe. I'll dance on him, but I can't dance with him. A little
Wait.
I can't dance with him, but I'll dance on him. I still have to keep up with my My friends can tell you, girl, the party, honey. I could still go to the party and dance by myself, but I just chose to cut it out altogether.
Fact number 7, I learned English, well, at school, but mainly because I spent 1 year at university in USA. So that was fact number 7. I spent 1 year in USA at university. learn English, met a lot of good people, and yeah. I also chat some patois. So, me I chat patois.
He doesn't talk patois.
And me fi tell you.
Hey!
I had to. Hey.
That was spot on, baby.
Yeah. Alright.
Fact number 8. I don't know if it's a fun fact, but I do not have any friends in France.
So if anybody watching from France,
I need friends. Oh God, you girl need friends. So holla at me. No, my friends on the internet. Listen, you guys, I have an internet best friend. Does anybody have internet best friend like I do? I have a girl on the internet. Well, I met a girl on the internet that I've never seen in person, and she means so much to me. We talk every day, like 3, 4, 5 times for the day. We're so connected. We're like sisters. We've never met. I hope to meet her one day. But I have internet best friends, and I have friends from back home that I talk to every day. So I'm not really missing out anything. But you know, sometimes you want to have friends where you are around you, so you can go on girl dates and go for lunch with your friends and stuff like that. I don't have that. I don't. So yeah, I don't have any friends in France.
fact number 8. That's a good fact. I never, well, I have a Jamaican wife, but I never smoke one little single things in my life. Doesn't matter what is it, cigarettes, marijuana, or
So hold
ganja,
on. Hold on. I have to cut you.
One single. I never did that in my life.
What does that have to do with having a Jamaican wife? Stereotyping Jamaicans.
No, ask people.
That is stereotyping.
When you have a flag, you have the marijuana tree inside your flag.
That is how people make Jamaicans to be. The first thing they think about is marijuana and Bob Marley and Usain Bolt and Jamaica. Jamaica has so much more to offer other than smoking and Usain Bolt and Bob Marley. Not saying that those things don't put us on the map or let people know about our country, but not because I'm a Jamaican means that everybody in Jamaica smoke. Or I've never smoked not even a book page in my life. So not because I'm a Jamaican means it have to do with marijuana. But yes, my husband doesn't smoke. Don't ask me how he doesn't smoke, and most of his friends smoke. A lot of his family smoke, and he doesn't smoke.
Can you believe if I smoke, give me a deck more? Go.
Alright. Fact number 9. Babe can attest to this one. I do not take nonsense. And if I don't like something, I am going to say it. And I'm going to say it out aloud. And I'm going to say it clear so you can hear it. I like to speak my mind. Okay?
After time.
No. I like
have to
hold
stay
on.
like 20 minutes like this. And
Because
say,
I have to think.
Give me
I have
time.
to think about it. Of course.
Leave me alone.
I have to think about it.
Leave me alone.
But don't I speak my mind though?
No.
If I don't like something, I don't say it.
20 minutes after. And she said quiet.
But I still
And
say
said, baby, what's going on?
You're hilarious. I speak my mind, but I have to take my moment. There are moments when you have to just be in your zone. I like my space. I like my privacy. I like my alone time. So I always take my moment and then I just let it all out. I don't take nonsense and I tell it like it is. So there you have it.
Okay. Fact number
9.
9. I like geography. And I learn when I was young, oh, that's a good technique for every parents. I learned every countries in the world where they're in the map. I learned every capital of these countries, every flag of this country. So you could have tell me a name of a country, I tell you the capital, I tell you where is it, I put it in the map, and I tell you the flag how it is. How? My father put a big map, world map in the toilet for 10 years. For over 10 years of my life, you go in bathroom and you have this map in front of you. You have nothing else to do than to look at the map. You know the countries. You know everything.
Good technique for every parent.
You give me, for example, I can tell you the 50 states of USA. I can not only telling you, I can put them in the map. Just you tell me Alabama, I put you in the map. You tell me Washington, I put you in the map. You tell me a country, you tell me Peru, I tell you the capital, I tell you like the capital Lima, and the flag should be red, white, red, and the little things on it. And I can tell you
does love geography.
All of these things.
Sometimes when babe getting his geography face, I just zone him out.
I tell her, okay, I like this country name, I don't know, I say Asian country, Cambodia. And she say, where's Cambodia? I do know a country named Cambodia.
When he gets in his geography state, I zone him out because the conversation won't end. Fun fact number 10 is, this is the longest relationship I've ever been in. I love you.
How long?
5 years. What is it?
You sure?
Of course I'm sure. Like the day I was born, honey.
It's gonna be 5 years soon, or it's past 5 years?
5 years in June, July.
You know, 6 years?
No. 5. We're married for almost 3. No, we're married for 3. Going to be 4.
You see, it's gonna
5.
be 6 years, but
Oh.
that's fact number 10. She don't know how to count. Sorry.
Fact number 10.
I know how to count.
Fact number 10.
I like to travel. I was a student in USA. I traveled to every place that I could have been. I know USA better than most of the American, because when you live in a country, you don't take the time to visit it. That's France. That's say people who travel in France can say they know France better than I know, because I don't used to go. And yes, since I met you, I used to only go Jamaica and come back Jamaica and go Jamaica and come back Jamaica and go Jamaica and come back Jamaica. So yeah, but I like it. I do it for you. So that was the number fact. The number 10.
The number fact. Alright you guys, so we thought we would have done this video so you guys can get to know us a little bit more through these facts. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with us, and yes, style is off of it so you won't see a little cuteness. Bye guys, we will see you in our next video.
Bye.